Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through a really useful feature in TradingView, saving your indicator settings as a template. If you've ever spent time carefully customizing multiple indicators on your chart and wished you could bring them back instantly for future analysis, this tutorial is for you. By the end, you'll know exactly how to save and reuse your favorite indicator combinations with just a couple of clicks, so you never have to redo all that setup work again. Alright, let's dive straight into it. First up, you'll want to head over to TradingView. This sounds simple, but make sure you're logged into your account so your settings can actually be saved. If you're not logged in, templates won't be saved to your profile, and you'll end up having to redo everything later, so double-check that little detail before proceeding. Once you're inside TradingView, look near the top of the screen for the Products button. Go ahead and click on this. It's easy to overlook since there are a lot of clickable options on TradingView, but Products is where TradingView organizes its tools. By clicking here, you're essentially telling TradingView, hey, I want to work with advanced charting tools today. Next, find the section at the very top labeled Indicators Template. This is where the magic happens. Clicking on Indicators Template gives you access to a powerful feature. Think of it like bookmarking your best indicator setups. Instead of having to recreate the same set of signals every time, this shortcut lets you package and save all your hard work into a template. Now here, where many people get curious. What happens if you've already added a bunch of custom indicators to your chart? That's perfect. If your chart is set up the way you want, maybe you've blended moving averages, volume profiles, and RSI in a combination that works for your strategy, you're ready for the next step. Look for the Save Indicator Template option, which is usually pretty prominent near the Indicators menu. Go ahead and click on it. Here's a tip. When you're prompted to name your template, make sure you choose something descriptive. If you trade differently on stocks versus crypto, try naming it Stock Swing Indicators or Crypto Scalping Set, so you can easily recall what's relevant for your next session. Give it a name that you'll instantly recognize, especially if you'll be creating multiple templates over time. That way, your future self will thank you, no more clicking and guessing which setup is which. Once you've named your template, TradingView saves everything for you. You can now recall this exact set of indicators anytime you want. Just select the template from the same Indicators Template menu whenever you open a chart. Think of it like creating a preset for your car seat position. One click brings everything back to how you like it without any extra effort. And that's it, you're done. You've just saved your indicator settings in TradingView, making your analysis workflow not only faster but much more consistent every time you trade. If anything feels unclear, don't worry. Take a few minutes to explore the templates menu and try saving a couple on test charts until you feel comfortable. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please tap that like button, and if you have any questions about indicator templates or anything else in TradingView, drop them in the comments below. I always respond and help out where I can. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on future tutorials to help you trade smarter and faster. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.